Are you done with the blazing triple-digit desert heat? Sick of dodging maybe rattlesnakes or dealing with endless sunny days that keep you stuck inside? Well, what if I told you there's a place where the summers are really comfortable, nature is stunning year-round, and you don't have to worry about scorpions? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, moving from Arizona to Minnesota might just be the fresh start that you're looking for. But before we dive into why Minnesota could be your next favorite place, make sure to like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our real estate tips. And if a move is on your mind, reach out to us at Domaille Real Estate because we're here to make your transition smooth and exciting. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and I'm so excited to help you explore this exciting possibility. Moving can be a big decision, but it can also be the start of something really wonderful. And today we're talking about relocating from Arizona to Minnesota. And there are some natural connections between Arizona and Minnesota, the Mayo Clinic for one. The Mayo Clinic has main hubs in both Rochester, Minnesota and Scottsdale, Arizona. So we see many people make the move to and from very often. So in this video, we want to showcase the positives that Minnesota has to offer. So let's get started. Arizona summers can be brutal, but Minnesota offers a pleasant alternative. And if you've ever experienced Arizona's triple-digit summer heat, you know how limiting it can be for any outdoor fun. So unless you're in a pool or you're hiding indoors, it's really hard to enjoy much. Minnesota, on the other hand, boasts warmer but mild summers, perfect for hiking, boating, or even just enjoying that backyard barbecue without melting in the sun. So imagine taking a peaceful kayak ride on one of Minnesota's countless lakes, which is much better than sweating it out in the desert, right? Well, Minnesota's abundant lakes and forests offer year-round adventure. While Arizona's desert beauty has its own charm, it often comes with water scarcity and really dry conditions. In Minnesota, nature lovers will find themselves in paradise with endless lakes, rivers, and forests. And whether it's fishing in the summer, leaf peeping in the fall, or snowshoeing in the winter, you're never going to run out of ways to enjoy the great outdoors. Now, one of my favorites, say goodbye to scorpions and snakes, because Minnesota's wildlife is a welcome change. If the thought of encountering scorpions or snakes near your home has you reaching for the phone to call pest control, well, you'll be happy to know that Minnesota's wildlife is much less intimidating. Here you're more than likely to see deer wandering through your backyard, or maybe even spot a bald eagle soaring above, than worry about unwelcome critters. So Minnesota's 4 stunning seasons bring beauty year-round. Unlike Arizona's consistent climate, Minnesota treats its residents to 4 distinct seasons, each with their own unique charm. From the vibrant fall foliage to magical winter snowfalls, there's always something new to enjoy. And you can build a snowman in the winter, watch flowers bloom in the spring, or host a summer bonfire by the lake. It's an ever-changing experience. Minnesota offers really strong communities and top-notch schools as well. So if you're looking to settle down, Minnesota has a lot to offer. While Arizona has some great communities, Minnesota stands out with its friendly, Minnesota nice culture, renowned schools, and lower crime rates. It's a fantastic place to raise a family and feel truly at home. So if you're thinking about making a move to Minnesota, Domaille Real Estate is here to help. We are super passionate about you finding a home that you can thrive in and enjoy everything this beautiful state has to offer. So call, text us, or email. We'd love to hear from you, and let's get started on this exciting journey. And if you'd like to know more about why moving from Arizona to Minnesota could be your best decision, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on our future videos, and follow us on all of our socials. And if you especially liked this video, make sure to hit that like button below and click on the boxes on your screen so you can see all of our other videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions and we'll make sure that we answer them all. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love where we live, and we really want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.